SendPulse email marketing tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use SendPulse for email marketing. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account in SendPulse, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is SendPulse, it is an all-in-one digital marketing platform that helps businesses manage email marketing, customer communication, and sales automation in a single system. It allows companies to create and send professional email campaigns using customizable templates, automation tools, and audience segmentation features to improve customer engagement. And SendPulse also supports SMS marketing, web push notifications, chatbots, and CRM integration, making it useful for businesses that want to connect with customers across multiple channels. So now to create an account in here, you can simply click the link in the description or alternatively click the sign up for free button. You could also sign in using your Google account. And after that, after signing in, you will be directed in here on the dashboard. It will show you which feature are you interested in here on this pop-up window, so you can simply select, for example, email marketing, and it will ask you, do you have a website? So basically, all you need to do is simply answer the question by selecting one of the choices in here. After successfully answering, you will now be able to be directed on the dashboard where you can now start creating your own email marketing or use SendPulse for that purpose. However, after successfully answering this following question, it will ask you to choose the plan for you. It will show you in here some of the plans that they offer, with the corresponding prices, lists of benefits, and many more. We have here Standard, Pro, Enterprise, and the free plan. And below are the following lists of features for it. So again, depending on your organizational needs, you can simply choose here either of the following. That depends on the number of users you want to invite, image, storage, and many more. But in here, I'm just going to simply select the free one. So I'm going to simply go back to our dashboard, in which this is basically what it looks like. It will show you in here under email marketing that you can start adding a sender email by clicking on a button, or you could also add a mailing list and followed by sending a campaign. And for creating a mailing list, you can simply click on the top panel and just simply enter here on the pop-up window the name of the mailing list that you prefer. For example, I'm just going to simply enter here mail list 1 and then proceed by clicking the create button to proceed successfully creating the list of mailing. Upon doing so, you will now be able to be directed on the page where it will show you that you can start uploading here or copy pasting the file. You can upload from your computer file, assign tags, and even verify the upload addresses. You can even enter the contact list in here, such as their email address, their phone number, and many more. And even for individual entry, you could also navigate to customize this one. Upon adding or creating your own mailing list, enter here their email, phone number, name, and even add and assign tags. Now aside from that, you could also go under the mailing list option on the left side panel, in which by clicking on it, you should be able to see here all of the lists that you have been created, the list of unique subscribers, inactive contacts, update contacts and lists, and many more. Moving on to email marketing, you can also click create campaign button, in which by doing so, it will automatically show you that you can start adding here, for example, the mailing list, selecting here the sender email address as you, the subject line to fill out, and even contact with tags. And after that, the next step is to simply enter the message content, then proceed by navigating the campaign parameters, and it will show you now the preview and send before successfully sending it to the receiver or the recipient, in which this digital marketing tool helps businesses create and send managed email campaigns efficiently. It allows users to design professional emails using drag-and-drop editor and ready-made templates without requiring coding skills. All you need to do is simply go under the campaign section in here. You can create your first campaign using SMS and Viber. While under email templates, by clicking on it, you should be able to see here a variety of templates that you can use from. So basically, all you need to do is simply choose here under template library the kind of template that you prefer with the corresponding or different kind of layouts in here, color palette, and even a design of each template. So you can click edit template button If you want to see it, you can simply click on it and scroll down to see the overview of it. But upon clicking on it, you can scroll down and show you what it looks like basically. And to use this, just click edit button, then you will automatically be directed on the page in here where you can start customizing every element part of this template. You can start by navigating on the left side panel some of the editing tools and also on the right side panel as well. So let's start by clicking this image. To customize this one, you can click under the picture button on the right side panel. You can also enter or choose to customize the height, the width, the location of it, and many more. Well, for this context, I'm going to customize this into relax like no other. You'd also start customizing the font style, font size, and even the color of this context and many more. Everything is pretty much accessible in here, or it will show you on the right side panel some of the tools that you can use from. You can make it bold, italic, and many more. So as you can see, I just choose or change the font style and the size of it. Well, for some of the other icon or logo, you can simply click on it and customize on the right side panel as well. You could also upload, add a URL if you want to, and many more. But I'm going to keep this that way. On the left side panel, you could also drag a photo, for example this one, and simply click on it to select or upload from your computer files. You can click, for example, I'm going to choose this one as an example that is offered for free on this platform. So as you can see, it is currently being added. So that is just how easy we can start adding a kind of media files or image in here. I'm going to delete this part as an example. Now moving on, you could also add a button on the left side panel by doing the same process of dragging in here. You could also click the button and choose the right text for it. So I'm going to enter here, book now as a button. And you could also customize the link of it so that when a customer try to click on it, they will be directed on the page where they can start booking or filling out the required information to book an appointment. And aside from this, you could even customize this contact us option to customize your contact details by clicking on contact us in here. But at this point, this is basically pretty much accessible in here. You can even add the video, a social, a checkout option by simply dragging it, for example, in here. But you need to also connect a payment methods to do it. But let's say you're now done customizing your email campaign template, you can click the save button on the top right corner to save the changes, or click the preview to see what it looks like. But going back in here, you can also navigate the subscription tools in which it is used to collect customer information, especially email addresses from website visitors. So you could even customize in here a template depending on your preferences as well, as you can see, which is also the same process on how we can customize the email templates. You could also navigate the email verification, which is a process of checking whether an email address is valid, active, and able to receive messages. This feature helps businesses maintain and clean an accurate email mailing list by identifying invalid, fake, or duplicate, or even inactive email addresses. So basically, in terms of email marketing, this platform also provides an analytics such as open rates, click-through rates, and subscriber inactivity, helping marketers to measure campaign performance and improve future strategies. SendPulse supports automation features like welcome emails, abandoned cart reminders, and scheduled newsletters, making the communication with customers faster and more effective. And overall, that is just basically how you can use SendPulse for email marketing. Thank you.